If you have taste, you can find good stuff everywhere. That's new. Okay, hold on. Let me just, yeah, sure. Look what we got right here. Big old bag of a new kind of hook. Someone stole the second package, so let's just see what we got in this one. It's so unfortunate. Can't find it. I think I have home stuff and clothing, so first let's see which bag is this one so we know which one was stolen. Right, yes. Okay. Okay, this one's clothes, and y'all like clothes, so lucky for you. Wow. Everything came individually wrapped. Let's see. It looks like I got some clothes and some non-clothes. So everything comes in there. Baggy. I'm so excited to try. Let's see what I got. Babes, don't you just, I feel rich. Wow, I guess we're buying a bottle, huh? Tough crowd, got it. Okay, that was a good start. The home stuff is in here too. You know what, I think I'm missing the boot, but I don't know, let's see. This is clearly the vase. I didn't know it was gonna be so tiny, but I'm not mad at that either, because it can get like in the kitchen, the one singular flower. Now I'm excited. Everything not being broken is a flex. This is the size of it, so you can kind of see. 8, love this. Love. I love that now, I'm excited. Ooh, what's this? These cups, these look like big shot glasses. I need to do math and look at dimensions. But I could put some coffee in here. I feel like a nice little morning iced coffee. Hold on, let's show Jiggy.
No, those are like orange juice.
Yeah, facts. Orange juice, like quick little morning bev. Yeah, these are definitely cute. Temu. Okay. Let's see what else. I'm sad that I'm missing stuff because I know I probably got more than one of this. Like, I wouldn't just get one of this. And if I did, wow, shame on me because this is so bad. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Just some cargo pants, you know? Got it. Real quick errand type of I got. Material was like, it's not cargo, it's not silk, it's something in between. And I wasn't expecting it to feel like this. I'm not mad, I'm just like, that's new. Okay, this little Frankie's Bikini inspired set. Look at this. Yeah. Nice high-waisted rib, and it looks long enough, and it's soft like it's real. Yeah. Who would have knew they had boots too? I saw they had wigs on there and everything, so I don't know why I'm acting like they couldn't have a little naked wolf moment, kinda, you feel me? Yeah. And they're not heavy, they're like very light. And they're like plain, so it don't give knockoff, it just give me and my boots. I mean, if you have taste, you can find good stuff everywhere. So the crotch is a little weird, so I wouldn't recommend the bottom. Yes, baby. Love the pants. Oh, thank you. Do you see what I see? Yeah, okay, let's try the boot. and they fit even though I didn't cut my big toenails yet. Alright, so I'm actually impressed. I would like the things that were stolen to arrive at my front door. Okay, lastly of the home stuff is clearly something I didn't need but needed. Like a little canteen, I think, with a cup at the top. Twist that on. It says push. Why? $34. Me. Let's see. Okay, so if you see anyone drinking out of something like this, report them now because I want the rest of my items.